Recording. So hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a green and purpley pink. So my base coat is this grey. If you hear a noise in the background, it's the aircon because it's hot. And that bumping there is the dog trying to get past the tripod. Stay there, Jax, please. So this is just grey, which I made up from white and black. Oh dear, still got a very stuffy nose. I think I might have made this a bit too watery. Okay, skip that bit. The thing's covered now. I'm just getting rid of a few hair bubbles and that bit there. Hopefully the rest will cover. Oh, sorry when I blow out. The first colour I've got here is this is phthalo green. This is lilac sachet. This is metallic, just let me have a look, metallic lavender. And these are all global paints mixed with global pouring medium. This is just a green, it's called pear. And this is green deep. I'm just going to put a few blobs of white on here, just to brighten it up a bit. And just pop that bubble. Okay, here we go. blow that a little bit. Get a straw to blow this bit out. This, any bubbles that are on there, to there. Okay, and bring it down for a closer view. So this is what it looks like wet. I'm getting for a closer view. So it's got some nice greens. That looks like blue, but it's actually green because I didn't put any blue in there. And I really like the, that looks like yellow, but that's actually that light green, or pear I think it's called. White. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and I shall be back later to show you the dried result. Hi everyone and welcome back. So this is the dried painting, and I have it up against my grandson's Colours Are Fun poster. So let's go in for a close look. So I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. I'm a bit disappointed that the pink disappeared, so I'm going to try this again with a different coloured background, because there's only that little bit of pink there, and that's beautiful pink. But I think the greens and the purples go really well together. That's my cat meowing in the background. Sorry about the posters in the background. Oh dear, oh dear. But I really like those beautiful colours. I think that that is probably the phthalo green and metallic lilac there. And that green that looks like a yellow, which is just a light green. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, please take care of yourself, your family and the people you love. Bye for now.